I'm asked this question on a regular basis, and men who are balding always want to find the cure. Now, if I had the cure, I wouldn't be sitting here talking to you. There is no cure for male pattern hair loss. It is a progressive condition for life. A lot of people are doing very interesting work, even in our own university here, University College Dublin. Professor Des Tobin is one of the leading researchers in hair sciences, and we work in very close collaboration with him. So when the breakthrough comes, I'm going to know about it before anybody else does. But at the moment, we've been to his laboratory, we visited him, and I know there is no magic cure.